Welcome to the world of real estate investing. Whether you're brand new or just curious, you're about to discover a world of opportunity that's helped millions of people transform their lives. Real estate isn't just about buying and selling houses, it's about building a future, creating security, and unlocking the freedom you've always wanted. Have you ever dreamed of building real wealth? The kind that gives you freedom, not just financial freedom, but the freedom to make choices, to live life on your own terms, and to pursue your passions without being held back by money worries. Imagine having the freedom to quit your job if you want, travel the world, or simply spend more quality time with your family and friends. Real estate investing can help make those dreams a reality. For many people, that dream feels distant or even impossible. Maybe you think you need a lot of money, special connections, or a fancy education to get started. But the truth is, there's a proven path that regular people just like you have used for generations to build wealth and change their lives. That path is real estate investing. It's a journey that starts with a single step and grows with every bit of knowledge you gain. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you follow the right steps and stay committed, it can be a get-rich-for-sure plan. Real estate rewards patience, learning, and action. This guide is your first step on that journey. We'll walk you through the basics, answer your questions, and help you avoid common mistakes. Today is the perfect day to start learning. Every expert investor was once a beginner, and your journey can start right now. We'll break down everything you need to know, starting with the basics and building up your confidence step by step. You don't need a fancy degree, a pile of cash, or years of experience to begin. All you need is a willingness to learn and a bit of determination. Just bring your curiosity, your desire to grow, and the courage to take action, even if it's just a small step at first. This journey might seem intimidating at first. It's normal to feel nervous or unsure when you're starting something new. Words like leverage, cash flow, and appreciation might sound confusing or even overwhelming at first glance. But don't worry, we'll translate all those complex terms into simple, easy-to-understand ideas that anyone can grasp. Investing in real estate isn't just for the super rich or financial experts, it's for teachers, firefighters, nurses, and everyday people just like you. It's about owning a piece of America, building something lasting, and letting your investments work for you over time. So, grab a notebook and get ready to take notes. The information you're about to learn could truly change your financial life and open doors you never thought possible. Let's dive in together and start building your dream, one step at a time, starting right now. Why real estate? What makes it stand out from other ways to build wealth? For generations, people have turned to real estate as a foundation for financial security and long-term prosperity. It offers a unique combination of benefits that you won't find together in stocks, bonds, or even gold. Think of real estate as a four-wheeled vehicle for wealth creation, with each wheel representing a powerful advantage. The first benefit is cash flow, getting paid every month like clockwork as rental income comes in. Imagine owning a rental house. Your tenant pays rent, which covers your mortgage, taxes, and other expenses. The leftover money is your cash flow, extra income you can use or reinvest. It's passive income, money you earn while you sleep, freeing up your time for what matters most. Next is appreciation, the natural increase in property value over time, often outpacing inflation and boosting your net worth. Real estate historically goes up in value, so your investment grows even if you do nothing. You're parking your money in an asset that grows, building equity year after year. Then, there's loan paydown. Your tenant pays down your mortgage for you, so your debt shrinks while your ownership increases. Finally, tax advantages. The US government offers incredible tax benefits, like deductions for mortgage interest, depreciation, and even some expenses. These four benefits, cash flow, appreciation, loan paydown, and tax advantages, combine to make real estate an unstoppable force for building wealth. It's tangible, understandable, and accessible to everyone willing to learn, no matter your background or starting point. Real estate has created more millionaires than any other asset class, and it can be your path to financial freedom too. Real estate investing isn't one size fits all, and that's what makes it so interesting. There are many ways to play, each matching your budget, lifestyle, and long-term goals. Start small with residential real estate. Single-family homes, duplexes, or triplexes are all great options. A great beginner strategy is house hacking. Live in one unit, rent out the others, and offset your costs. As you grow, consider commercial real estate for bigger opportunities and returns. Or, look into REITs for passive income, letting your money work for you. Find a strategy that truly suits you, and start building your real estate portfolio today. Feeling inspired? Let's turn that into action with a clear plan. Focus on mastering these 4 areas for success. Step 1 is education. Learn the rules of the game. Read books, listen to podcasts, and connect with other investors. Step 2 is saving your down payment. Create a budget, cut expenses, and find a side hustle. Step 3 is building your credit. Pay bills on time and reduce high-interest debt. A strong credit score is invaluable. These steps build momentum and confidence. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on one step at a time. You're on your way to owning your first property. Now for the treasure hunt, finding a great investment property. The key rule is location, location, location. A great property in a bad market is a bad investment. Become an expert in 1 or 2 markets. Look for areas with strong growing economies. Check job growth and population trends. Development indicates confidence in an area. Analyze specific neighborhoods. Boots on the ground research. Talk to local property managers for insights. This combination of data and research is key to finding your gold mine. Invest in areas with potential for growth and demand. Every investor makes mistakes, but you can learn from others. The journey to becoming a successful investor is filled with lessons, and the best way to grow is by understanding where others have stumbled before you. By being aware of these common pitfalls, you can save yourself time, money, and unnecessary stress. A common mistake is analysis paralysis, learning without action. Many beginners spend endless hours researching, reading, and watching videos, but never take the first step. They get stuck in a cycle of overthinking, afraid to make a move. Education is crucial, but it's worthless without action. Knowledge only becomes powerful when you put it to use. Don't let fear of making mistakes keep you from moving forward. Underestimating expenses is another pitfall. It's easy to focus on the big numbers and forget about the smaller, hidden costs that add up over time. Account for all expenses, not just the mortgage. Remember to include repairs, maintenance, property taxes, insurance, and even vacancies. These can make or break your investment. Use the 50% rule for expenses. This simple rule of thumb helps you estimate costs quickly. Assume half your rental income will go to expenses. Failing to do proper due diligence can lead to a money pit. Skipping inspections or ignoring red flags can turn a promising property into a costly nightmare. Get a professional home inspection and verify rental rates. Research the neighborhood, check for code violations, and talk to local experts before you buy. Don't skip due diligence. It's your protection. Taking shortcuts now can cost you much more in the long run. Many beginners try to do everything themselves. They think they can save money by wearing every hat, but this often leads to burnout and costly mistakes. Build a team: a real estate agent, lender, handyman, and property manager. Surrounding yourself with experienced professionals makes the process smoother and more successful. Your team provides expertise and support. They help you avoid mistakes, solve problems, and make better decisions. Don't be a lone wolf. Real estate is a team sport, and collaboration leads to better results. Learn from mistakes and build a strong foundation. Each experience, good or bad, adds to your knowledge and confidence. Take action and avoid common pitfalls. Progress comes from doing, not just planning. You're on your way to becoming a successful investor. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, every step forward is a step closer to your goals. All investments have risk, and real estate is no different. The key is to understand and manage risks. Successful investors are good at risk management. Fear of bad tenants is common, but manageable. Use a solid tenant screening process. Run background, credit, and eviction checks. Verify income, and call previous landlords. Unexpected repairs will happen. Have cash reserves. Set aside funds for expenses and emergencies. Market risk is mitigated by buying right. Buy for cash flow, not speculation. Desirable properties in good areas reduce vacancy risk. Plan for the worst to set yourself up for the best. Face risks head on and invest with confidence. Protect your hard-earned money and build wealth.